Welcome back to another video of the mini bike series. So today's gonna be day 4. Super excited. We're gonna be playing on this new fender, front fender. Here goes the bracket. It goes like this, but under it, then we got the 2 bolts. Totally didn't lose the other one, but we're just not gonna talk about that. So let's go ahead and get this on that. Another surprise is we got the front tire on for day 4. So we got front tire, fender. First thing we're gonna do is take off the nut from each ends. We got those off. Let's grab a mounting bracket. Now with the mount and the fender, we're going to be putting that, kaboom. Okay, so now with the bracket right here, front fender, the bolts and the nuts, we're gonna put this, this together, kaboom, kablow on that. So it should be sick. With this fender on, looks incredible, really sweet. We're gonna be, as you see, it's a little flimsy. That's because we lost the other screw, but I'm gonna have to find a replacement for that because I don't want that being like that. So here we go. Next, we're gonna try to fit in the risers with the mount. Okay, now we have the stem mount, and I did notice when I picked it up for paint, the bubbles are still there from what happened yesterday, and there's a little white line from the thing I was using it for beyond. I'm not too worried about it because not everybody's just gonna look at the stem mount and be like, look at that, he messed up right there, there's bubbles. So it should be fine. Okay, so after 20-30 minutes of rating, we got the risers, we got the stem mount, and we got the bolts for the risers. It should go up here. You just imagine bars sitting there with those on. So let's get those on to that. Okay, so now with the risers on, I'm just going to turn this and hold it on the bottom and tighten it to this get tightened just like this. Okay, now with those on, we're going to get this on so we can see what the final looks like with it black. Okay, so I got this on. I didn't really tighten it on. Then put the bolts in because, you know, I'm probably going to take it right back off just to see handlebars fitments and stuff. So that's what it would look like. Just imagine the handlebars. I think it looks really, really clean. So that is day 4. For the recap, we got these painted risers, mount, fender with the bracket underneath painted, and we got the tires on. So I think that's really good progress for day 4. So stay tuned for day 5.